Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Abhi, but you can also call me Abhijith. I'm a tech enthusiast with over 14 years of experience in the IT industry. My journey started in software development, then I explored the world of mobile apps and e-commerce platforms. But for the past few years, I have been fascinated by the ever-evolving field of cloud, DevOps, and AI. Now, as a cloud and DevOps architect, I help businesses leverage the power of automation and cloud technologies to streamline their operations. But that's not all. Here at Schogini Systems, I also wear another hat, an AI and AI chatbot specialist, and a passionate trainer who loves sharing knowledge. Schogini Systems is a company with over 4 decades of experience in cutting-edge AI technology. We are passionate about creating personalized AI solutions that can tackle your specific business challenges and deliver real results. We don't just build chatbots, we build partnerships. Our team provides dedicated consultancy and ongoing support to ensure your AI chatbot grows and evolves alongside your business. In fact, I have spent over 1300 hours training individuals and teams on various IT technologies and even authored some technology books myself. So, whether you are looking to gain valuable IT skills through training, optimize your DevOps processes, or implement a powerful AI chatbot, I am here to help. Stick around for more tech insights, tips, maybe even a glimpse behind the scenes at Schogini Systems. Let's explore the future of technology together. Thank you.